I'm not sure if my doctor really understands how physically demanding my job is. How can I get some help with that?
Clear communication is key. So that you have a productive conversation with your doctor, prepare notes in advance with any questions you might have and bring a copy of your job description. Be ready to explain your duties, as many jobs have industry-specific language. Talk about the unique aspects of your job demands and workplace that the doctor should know about that aren't in your job description. For example, the desk I work at is too tall, or the cart I use every day has wheels that don't turn easily, or I have to travel a lot for my job. Think about having a coworker or supervisor take pictures of you in your workspace so you can bring them to your appointment, as these may be very helpful for your doctor. While you're there, you may try to demonstrate the physical work you do, if you can within limits. Ask your doctor if there is a way a clinician, like a physical therapist or occupational therapist, can do a worksite walkthrough, or if you can obtain an ergonomic evaluation as part of your recovery plan. Depending on your employer and health plan, this might be paid for under your existing benefits. To learn more about ergonomics, check out the University of Washington's webpage at tinyurl.com/workplace-ergo.